Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel with Hadi. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it now. Hey guys, today's video is all about Capilano River Regional Park. Capilano River Regional Park is located in the District of North Vancouver in British Columbia, Canada. So right now I'm at Cleveland Park, which is across the road. This park offers a variety of sports and fitness activities. It is one of 23 regional parks operated by the Metro Vancouver. So guys, this is the main entrance of Capilano River Regional Park. Massive parking area available, which is free. If you have an EV car, you don't need to be worried. On my right side, you can see the charging points are available. The park encompasses most of the upstream areas of the Capilano River. Below the Cleveland Dam. Let's have a look at the map first. The area north of the dam surrounding Capilano Lake. Is closed to the public as it is a GVRD watershed. The privately operated Capilano Suspension Bridge across the river. But it is not within park boundaries and does not access the park. Capilano River Regional Park is most commonly associated with the Cleveland Dam. Admission to the dam is free. So guys, get ready for the amazing and wonderful view. And here you can enjoy the astonishing view of the Capilano Lake. And that is the view of the Cross Mountain. And one can walk across the dam and observe the river and the spillway. From above the dam, Capilano Lake stores the river's water. Stretching north for more than 5 kilometers. The lake is one of 3 major watersheds in the GVRD. And it currently supplies 40% of the region's drinking water. Water treatment facilities are located adjacent to the dam. Hey guys, we were lucky that we got a chance to capture the moment of the geese with their babies. And a tunneling project scheduled for completion in 2008. Hey guys, I zoom it for you so you can clearly see the gondola going up to the Cross Mountain peak. Will connect the reservoirs to a new treatment plant at the Seymour Dam to the east. Boards are also installed here to learn the historical values. There is also the Capilano fish hatchery in the park. About 500 meters downhill from the Cleveland Dam. Admission is free. The hatchery receives 238,000 visitors annually. So this is another detailed map, and don't forget to grab the copy of map if you going into the forest. Some more instruction for the public convenience. And is widely recognized for its contribution of coho. And is steelhead to the sport fishery in Borat Inlet. The hatchery offers educational displays. On many spots you will find drinking water tap for public convenience. And this is the restroom shed. Left side is allocated for males and right side is for female. Garbage bin and parking stands are available everywhere. Explaining the type of work that is done there. As well as basic education about the life cycles of the fish in the area. Hey guys, now it's time to move to the dam area. There is also a cross-section display of an active fish ladder. During spawning seasons. So the dam area starts from here. The fish ladder is heavily used by fish in the area. That use it to bypass the dam. The rugged waters of the Capilano River within the park. Also attracts kayakers and canoers. There are also a number of nature and biking trails in the park. Cleveland Dam Scenic Art, and is frequently used as a location for film and television production. From here you can see the height of the Cleveland Dam. Most notably McGuire, Smallville, Tin Man, and Twilight New Moon. The street accesses by way of Capilano Road in the District of North Vancouver. There are parking lots at the Cleveland Dam. Near the top of Capilano Road. And at the fish hatchery along Capilano Park Road. Translink bus route 232 from Fifth Exchange. Another map before going into the forest. And 236 from Lonsdale Q-Way stop. Near park and trail entrances. Hikers can access the park from several different trails. In West Vancouver and the District of North Vancouver. The Cleveland Dam is a 91 meter high, 299 feet. Concrete dam at the head of the Capilano River in Upper Capilano, North Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. That holds back Capilano Lake, also known as Capilano Reservoir. Part of the Capilano River Regional Park. It stores a portion of the lower mainland's drinking water. It captures water from one of the three Metro Vancouver watersheds. Construction was started in 1951 and completed in 1954. Hey guys, now we are walking on the wooden bridge and you can clearly hear the sound of water. The dam is named after engineer Ernest Albert Cleveland. Who envisioned the need for the proper maintenance of a pristine and efficient water supply. Catching fish is not allowed at this spot. as well as suitable use of water resources. He serves as the first Chief Commissioner of the Greater Vancouver Water District. Here you can clearly read no fishing area. From 1926 until his death in 1952. The Cleveland Dam had several failures of the drum gate. Causing water to be uncontrollably released into the Capilano River. Running through Capilano River Regional Park. Warning sirens were not installed until after the death of two men in 2020. Hey guys, let's go to the cable pool. In 1975, a 9-year-old girl was killed by a surge of water released from the dam. The area had no warning signs or alarm at the time. Signs were later added to warn visitors of the potential hazards of the dam. In 2001, 4 fishers were trapped in the river. When the water level surged without a warning after the spillway's drum gate inadvertently dropped open. This spot is in the middle of the forest where you can enjoy picnic and party. Finally, we have arrived at salmon hatchery spot. Here you can read all around life cycle of the salmon. WorkSafe BC issued several orders to reduce the risk to workers and the public. Here you can study the Pacific salmon life cycle. Including but not limited to spillway gate lockout. Access to the riverway to workers where lockout is not required. Man check system, emergency rescue and evacuation, public warning signage and warning alarm. However, some of the orders were ignored and public-facing warning alarms were never installed. It gives you annual fish production information. You can read education displays and basic education about the salmon. So guys, this is the main hatchery area. On October 1st, 2020, the dam drum gate opened. Unexpectedly during maintenance, causing water to gush out onto Capilano River. The torrent of water killed one person, with another person missing and presumed dead. Inside the hatchery shed, washrooms are available for public convenience. Several parkgoers were trapped within Capilano River Regional Park. While many managed to escape by themselves, 4 people had to be rescued. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to leave your comment. See you soon with another amazing video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.